Too busy to lose my cool. Been too much to do. Got a story that can I do the news. I suppose I suggest you move. Ain't worried about you. Bare things to get to. Never ever let you destroy my fortune. Not that important. Then what I'm courting for that misfortune. I pity. Blocking all my enemies. I commit that to memory. One they never seen. All of a sudden wanna be friends of me. Nah, never DP that make me wanna lose my concrete. Bitch, I'm button. Lord, don't let my arms reach. Fist don't dream. This is where my mind still need to be. Can I focus back to the movement? This man yin and peace. Let my midfinger be the treat. When I see success gonna play at the end of the week. But in the meantime, back again with another video of the Sc400. So, finally, I got what I've been waiting for a minute. And this is, see that box right there? Godspeed project. Got my coilovers, adjustable coilovers. And you already know we got to put on the Sc400 right here, you know what I'm saying? Got to put on the Sc400. Current is car 6 stock, and the struts and stuff are torn. So, I mean, that's how much gap is in between this stock height. See? About, you know, almost 5 fingers. Depending on how big your fingers are. Mine are skinny, so but yeah, about to drop in. She about to be lowered, and she'll be sitting a little more comfortably. And I'll be getting rid of, which is third thing, get rid of these bad struts, which I could show it. How bad these struts are. Probably had to, but look how bad they are. Terrible. See if I get there. Terrible. Look all torn up and everything. I don't know if you can see that torn piece, but yeah, it is torn. So they definitely need to be replaced. There you go, Bear. Few of them. Definitely need to be replaced. Alright, so these the coils right here. But put in right here. Alright. That's the old coil right there. Factory. I need to take off. And about to put the new coils in the front right now. So that's the coilovers that look torn like that. See how messed up it is. As you can see, that's in. Check. That's are in. And we got the hardest part. So this got done, which is the difficult side right here. Got this in right here. That was a pain because I had to mess with, you know, the windshield washer reservoir, and the bolt wouldn't come loose from the that ball part right here. 7.2. That one comes loose. So, but oh no, I got that, and the back over here on the side. Done too. So I'm about to go ahead and get ready to drop it down, and we're gonna see how low it gets. All right, so it has been dropped, And actually, in my opinion, that mug is still low. I have my regular tires on here, and now I can see what it looks like with the rims on here. I'm missing 2 nuts. But they ain't no room, so unfortunately I gotta go back up for these 17s. And and the back is kind of low too, so they're kind of low. So maybe another 1.5 inches on both sides should do the trick. As you can see, like my vet, see how it's lower than my vet, so to give you an idea of how it's sitting, it's lower than my vet. But yeah, all of it is in, so I'm definitely gonna do some adjustments on this, but this is pretty much it. It's installed. Just gotta basically just get my height right. So, and I'll give a update video of how it rides with the coilovers on. So, you know, I'm pretty sure it's gonna feel good in corners and stuff. So that's it for this episode of the Sc400. Catch y'all next one.